Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what I ate today, but as a vegetarian. Now, you may have picked up on this in some of my recent videos, but if you haven't, then you wouldn't know that I have actually been vegetarian ever since the day I moved here. I went vegetarian, and I'll go into like the reasons and my experience being vegetarian in another video once I'm more into it. But for today's video, I just wanted to share what I eat in a typical day now that I don't eat meat or seafood, and just to also give you an idea of what I've been eating as a student living on a budget. And I've done quite a few what I eat in a day is what I ate today kind of videos, and it's kind of been a while since I last did one, so I just wanted to share with you the meals that I ate on this particular day as a vegetarian. Okay, so this video was supposed to go out 2 months ago, and I had literally almost finished editing it. I was on like the last couple of clips when my computer decided not to turn on anymore. And this has happened before, but this meant that I couldn't finish editing the video that I had worked so hard on. I'd done all the cuts, I had recorded all the audio, and so all of that effort had been for nothing, while I had to go through with the process of trying to get this repaired, so sending it off to the repair place, only to discover that it was beyond repair and I had to get a new one. Luckily, I got one lent to me when I was visiting family for me to take with me, but none of my editing could be restored as it was like totally different software, which was really annoying. And I didn't want to go through the process of doing all those edits and audio recording again, so I thought, why not try to do this video using just the sounds of me preparing my food. So pots and pans, mixing all the food, getting stuff out, dishing it up, all that stuff. Just what was happening on the day in real time as I made my food. And I'll do like a full-on detailed overview of how to make these recipes on my TikTok when I have time. And I'm still waiting on a new computer to get here, but I've been using the one given by my family in the meantime, but I haven't been able to devote time to doing this video because of uni work and my job. But yeah, enjoy this what I ate today aesthetic style, I guess, if you will. is going to be it for this video of this what I ate today as a vegetarian. I hope you enjoyed this and that this gave you an idea of the sorts of things that I've been eating as a recent vegetarian and uni student. Again, I will do a dedicated video explaining my reasons for becoming vegetarian and all that. But here we are, new place, new diet, new meals, lots of things have changed. And yeah, it'd be kind of fun to compare the kind of stuff I eat now compared to what I've eaten in some previous What I Ate Today videos. So let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see more What I Ate Today, What I Ate in a Day videos on my new vegetarian diet. And I'm also planning to do some videos on some vegetarian meal ideas. So let me know if those types of videos are videos that you'd be interested in seeing here on my channel. But thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a like you enjoyed and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. So, till next time, in my next video, I shall see you then. Goodbye.